Take out the books now. Ankit. Yes, sir. How was your exam? For maths. Okay. What is that? Okay. Sir, like everything went and only the 3 marks question went. Why it is so difficult? From which chapter? Sir, one was from triangles. One was from linear equation. 2 questions made mistake. Completely wrong. In linear equation, when I wrote the equation, but I'm not sure if it's correct. Just write the name and put the equation. Okay. How was your paper? Mark the sum. Where is our Rohan? One more is there, na? Arya, Rohan, Vrishti will come next month. Arya has not combined all. Which day you are going to come before time? Tell me, which day you are going to come before time? I don't know. So you are not planning, now. Next time we know what is the UT rule. If you are coming late, 15 minutes to start. I'll let you know that is follows. Okay? So you are coming, how you are coming? Photos are there. Where is your friend today? Please come on time. Why are you late? Yeah. You also staying nearby only, na? No. Walking only, na? So come on time. Now one Purna has to come. He is not come. What is going on there? Since long time there is something is going on. Mobile. Just tell me, practice is going on. Yes. What practice daily? How many come? Daily? Who said that 5 come? Stop, let me see. Stop, let me see all of you. From Monday, you are absent, so your punishment will be there, na? You are done. What chapter you have? Standard. You are done. How many come altogether?
I did some notes.
Area also done. You are not done now with your chapter.
I did exams.
Yeah, the other one circle do na, circle area. This is 10 in the day, na? So this is second day, na? Start. Priyanshi, when are you going to start? Monday you will show, not start. Okay. Yes. Rahi, standard. Standard. When are you going to start? Exam on Monday, I need to see what the start. Monday, 30 comes. 3 comes Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 30 comes. Standard. Okay, test paper like that, you know, you have to do it, okay? Monday, future. Your practice me. No matter practice. You. What is this paper? Don't we don't read the paper, we bring the notebook now. From where we got the paper? Okay, so keep it as a binder paper, okay, file it. Daily 10 paper tomorrow is you are the daily 10 questions. 10? Okay. Daily 10. He said, where is it? Stand up, my dear friend.
I will start.
When?
Okay.
Monday, when is your exam, you know, no? 12. So which of the exams are going to start? Okay. Yeah, listen, we are doing the statistics. We are doing the statistics now. Done all of these signs are doing the take up the books with you. Sanika is absent. Okay, na. But graph also you all brought down. Okay, then. Wait, the graph comes in. We were doing the making the frequency table, na?
Yes.
Yes or no? Class intervals making. All of you have done anything with that one? Okay, so how many questions the other day done? You know how to put the tally marks and all? No.
I did 8 times.
Ah, that is the class. Good. Yeah. All signed now? Yeah. Okay. Rahi, taken the book. You all try, Sanmitra,
Yes, sir.
any practice is done?
No.
Huh? Loudly. Trinity, fast. Vivan,
Yes.
done practice.
No.
Now I have to call the parents now, okay? Then we will, I'll tell you to call the parents. Chalo, okay, now let's start this one now. You take out the exercise now. We have done certain parts now. Which one? We have done this one. All of you take that exercise. Question number, this one, 5 we are done. 4 we are done. Mean median we are not started. Huh? 5 we are done now. Huh? Shh. We are done now. Okay. Now 6 we are done. No. Okay. Read this one. Priyanshi, read the question of the 6th one.
3 points were about 30. Each time the number of tests was because there are 20 different.
Okay. So look here this data. Have you seen the page number 185? All of you taken the data. Now here, what is the frequency distribution table we made? Is it grouped or ungrouped? What is the difference between grouped and ungrouped? Grouped means class interval. Can you make a class interval over here? If you see in this one, how many values you have? 3 values. Which are the values? 4 values. 0, 1, 2, 3. Only these 4 values only, na? Okay. So we will put the heading. Okay. What is the heading? The 3 coins now. Okay. We will take it as X. What is the question asked? What is the question following is the number of heads or what is it? It's written now. Number of heads. Read the question loudly. What's written now? Prepare. What is it? Each time the number of heads occurring was noted down. This values is number of heads now. And so you write number of heads. Which are the values for the number of heads? 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there. Tally marks put. All of you put the tally mark. You know how to put the tally mark now? Okay, do it now. How to put the tally mark? All of you know. Rohan, do you know? Rohan is absent. Where is Rohan? Sleeping. Ankit? Yes, sir. You know, no? Those who don't know, once I'll explain. This table will be given in the exam. 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 0, 1, 3. No need to copy it. 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0. 1 to 1. Then next is 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 3. These are given over here. What happened? Who is that? Avni, you quietly do with the work. Completed the table. Now put the tally mark. You know how to no. See 0. So 1, 2, again 2. Then next is 1. Next is 2, 3, then 1, then 3, 0, then 1. Next is what? 3. 1 is 2 times. 1, 3, 1. 2 is 2 times. 0. Who is that? 10, 9. Got this way. Risha Tally is putting us. How many of you got the answer? Counting, all of you. I have to teach counting array, my dear friend. Or other than you, all of them got. Yes. Sanika.
6, 10, 8.
How many Sanikas are there?
6, 10, 9.
6, 10, 9, 5. This way, finally, it will come out this way. And this one will come as. And you will write total. How much is the total? 30. This much you have to make the table. How many of you made this one? Okay. Tally marks. Okay. Frequency. This is the way to table made. Done. All of you got. What was the counting problem? You said some mistake.
I did.
Achha, this one. Be careful. Value should not be okay. This is the one. Understood? Okay. This we are done. Over here, any other question is there in that one? No, no. Okay. Next is what is the question? Yes, Arya, read the question.
The value of pi of 3 decimal places given in the
No. Read the remaining.
First, make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point.
After the decimal point. So before decimal point, no need to take. Okay.
What are the most and least frequently occurring digits?
Okay. So here the value of pi is given this way. What is it? So at this tell some value 3.14.
1, 5,
One of you. Okay. Hello. Okay, read. Start. You speak quiet now. Let us speak now. Whose is this volume? Where is yours? Punishment is there. 1.92.
6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7,
Who is
9.
that game playing music out there? Okay, this way it is going on. Now, so what you have to do is it the class interval or same way? Is it same class? Same way. The digits only is there. So you will be putting as what? This is here. Digits.
0.
Anywhere 0 is there?
Yes.
Yes. So where till where to where we have to put? 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then correspondingly tally mark. All of you do it. Don't take the digit before decimal. Means these 3 you don't need to take. This way like 15 digit, 50 digit. Something you are following? Now, Tahi, where is your volume? Now, please inform me. I have to mark and I'll call the parent. One is your late regularly. Second one is no volume to carry. Third one is absent.
It's like 1.
I'll talk to Mami now. Volume, where is that? What is the reason of not being volume? One volume to pack is very difficult. Please don't do it. Three digits are okay. 1. So for 1 where you have to put tally mark. So put the tally mark 1. Okay. 1 no, 1 is this one no. That you go. Then after that. 4. Put one finger over there. So after do it fast, at least what something you will know. You Today, if you are not done, I will just keep you after the. Yeah, seriously. Nobody should go on that. They go look here, keep your thing. This way, not that way. You will start from here, 1, 4, like that. Okay, not that count all the zeros, which is very difficult to do. What happened then? Huh? No. Wherever you do the cleaning, where is your volume? Standard. Those who are not bringing the volume, I am going to do something. I will ask the UT. I am getting a simple one. I ask UT to give the volume and double the charge of the volume and get the second one. I am telling you. Huh? Last time we should be asking. Okay. 50 will be there, but beyond that, all the digits are 60. Let us do the previous question. What? What you are making this one? No, one thing is to keep the book over here. One hand, pen, put one finger on the digit. Where it is nothing, how we are using at the time. So you have to do this way to go. Okay, not that to go. This is 56. No. Arey, my dear. Hello. Not that way. Then you have a finger in there. Take show one finger. Not this one. See where? Which question you are doing? So 1. Did you put for 1? So now cut these 2. Cut these 2. This also cut. So 1 for 1 tiny. Where this is 1. Here you put. Start again. Then after that which is on. Huh? Loudly tell. After 1, what is the next digit? So put the tally for 4. After that. 1 who will see. I can so 1 more tally. I just put this side. This is not count these 2. Okay. Then next one. 5. 5 put tally. Next step. Fast. Then. Completed. Now you remove the finger. Then from where? Where is the finger now? Why did you remove the finger? Where you reach finger now? How many of you got the answer? Yes, Avni, tell the digits. You are, huh? Ankit, give the values. 5, then again 5. Sorry. Okay, be quiet. All of you be quiet. Arya, give the value.
5, 8, 5, 4, 5, 8.
I got it. These are the values all of you got. Yes or no? Counting only done, nothing. These are the values. How many of you got the same value? Oh. Okay, so this Avni, you got some other value? Your hand was not raised. Okay, so total is equal to how much? 50. Total is equal to how much? This much you have to write along this one. I don't want to play it that way. Okay. Okay, then it has second parts are there. What is the next part? It is given in the question. Most occurring digit. So one is most, which is the most occurring 3 and 9. So right, most occurring digits are 3 and 9. Most, is it or not? This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Most occurring digits are That is the 3 and 9. Because both are there. And least is what? Only 1, that is 0. Okay. Well done, all of you. What happened? Priyanshi, read the next question. Do it properly, okay, all of you. Okay.
Make a group currently distribution table for this data, taking class with 5 and one of the class intervals has 5
5
10.
to 10. So this one is not this way. So what is the class? It is about what? The group only. It is about what? The three children what? Number of hours watching TV. Isn't it? Number of hours watching TV. Okay. Or time in hours. Time for TV. You can write. Now, time for TV. Write it in hours. Okay. Now, tell me what are the values? Which is the least value among them? 1. And which is the largest? 17. Okay. So they asked you to make the class interval. So how do you make the class? Not 1 to 5, 0 to 5. Thereafter, there is a class interval is given there now. What is the class interval? 5 to 10. If 1 to 5 is not, so then next is coming as 5 to 10. Next is 10 to 15. 15 to 20. Is it enough?
Yes.
Okay. So then you have to put all of you now. Look here, all of you. When 5 is coming, where you have to put? When 5 is coming, first or second? Second one. If it is 10 is coming, where you have to put? Third. Understood? Like that. Okay, so do it. This one you have to do it with A. Sarthak, this one you have to do it properly and neatly. Okay, do it first. Why this question is going on? Counting again. Well done, Sanika is done. Okay, very good. Okay, Avni has done. Happy. Fast, this man do it. Dia has done. It's not also there. Often where is it gone? I said she included as well. Yeah. How many if we got the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, frequency read. Yeah.
10, 13,
1, 3.
5, 2, 13,
How many of you got this one? Completed. Okay, followed now. So these are total to the rest. Hope all of you followed now. Next is the graph is coming. Graph is not ready then for you. Yeah, it has a part.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the part?
How many children watch television for 15 or more hours a day?
15 or more hours. How many children are watching? 2. 15 or more is 2. Yeah. So 15 or more is coming as all of look here now. 15 more or more is 2. Now look here. How many listen to that is done all of you? So this I am going to make you to read question. 15 or more is 2. Now, how many children are watching? This is about the watching TV now. How many of children are watching? Don't shout the answers. Watching TV more than 10 hours. Those who don't raise their hand. Ten. 7. Look now. More than 10. This is 10 to 15. This is 15 to 20. More than 10 means this also more than 10 now. Okay. More than 10 is how many are there? 5 plus 2. Okay. How many children are, listen. How many children are watching the TV less than 10 hours? Less than 10 hours. Doesn't what the reason? Yes, Ankit, 23. 23. All of you got 23 because it is less than 10. Okay. Followed. Next question. How many children are watching the TV for 10 hours? Here, who is that? How do you know? From if this from data, you cannot identify. If the table is given, means you can identify. Okay. If it is 10 exactly, you cannot given. Okay. Setting value from there, you can find. Hope all of you followed now. Okay. Now over that question, exercise is over. How many more? It's the last question. Okay, one of you read the question now. No, textbook now. Who's the same only, not same only. Move to this side. Okay. Yeah. This Sarvesh read the question.
A company manufacturer car batteries of a particular type. The lives of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows. Construct a group frequency distribution table for this data using class intervals of size 0.5 starting from the intervals 2 to 2.5.
Okay, this what is this data? This is data is what? It is about what? Read and find out.
Lives of car
Lives of car battery in. Okay, so you will write lives of batteries in bracket in years. First heading you write lives of car batteries in years. Now, even the question is clearly given. It is a which one? Group frequency. So from where it is starting? Least one is what? Check the table. What's the least one?
0 to 0.
Check least one is what? Is below 2.2 any value there? What is the largest value?
4.6.
4.3. So then you will be starting from here. First one is 2 to 2.5. Then 2.5 to 3. 3 to 3.5. Then 3.5 to 4. 4.5. 4 to 4.5. That much is enough now. Okay, put the tally mark and frequency file. If more than 4.5 is there, what is the 4.6 also there? So then you put one more 4.5 to 5. More than that is there? Okay, put the tally mark carefully. Okay. What is your name? Yes, which school? Which school? Yes. So this is strategy to your. You not know. So after do it fast, my dear friends. After you can't. No, my friend. I mean, who's talking there? Both of you. Now I'll change you about the people. This time I'll put to one after one. Then quietly do it. Hello. Hey. I'm seeing what you're looking. He's still playing only. I have shown you the way now, bro. Then what do you got? Not that way. You put your finger over there. There. Then next one. Where you put? There. 3.0 is here. 3.0 is in the next one. Next. Put it. Where? Next. Next. Cut this one and right. Cut these two. The answer. Next. Next. Fast. I can't stand with you all the time. Okay, now 3.2. Where did you put 4.6 here or here? 4.6 where you put here now? Then how many times here? And here you put already on 3.7 right there. Okay. Who all got? Who is taking the answer here? How many of you got the answer? All got the answer, other than this man. You got the answer? Yes, Arya, give the answer.
6, 12, 13, 14,
Huh?
4, 9.
How many of you got this answer? How many of you got the same answer? Yeah, who's? How many of you got the same answer I asked? Okay, Priyanshi. What? 14. Let's tell now. 11. How many of you got this answer? You two got another set of answers. So I teach you counting. And you don't know, oh, value numbers, you don't know where it belongs. Yeah, she was, you know what is the problem? Both are looking and sitting and talking only. Yeah, I have seen how 5 times I see told. This is the correct one now. Yes or no? Okay, this one, you have to be very careful doing this one. And the total. Huh? Huh? You're right. You are check. But they are also telling you they are correct. Huh? All are correct. What's your different textbook is given? Hello. Now what is the discussion is going on there? Answers we will don't need. You know this is the problem. You know one textbook come next class one textbook will be out. Decide which friend has to go outside. Okay. Yeah. Yes. No problem. I am telling you seriously because because of this only people are not getting now. No. Here you have to be very careful. It's not that you know everyone's textbook is printed the same thing only now. You are telling your book is correct. All of you do one thing, you know, find out how many numbers are there from 3.5 to 4 in your book from the textbook. Count. Don't count 4. .5 to 4. Only this one. Count from the values. .5 to 4. Hey, one of you will. Hello, who is cutting and who's the textbook is there? Bring the textbook here. Who cancel all these things? Who underline all these things? She doesn't mind, no? You come with it. There well. Now how will she is? That is why you put all underline. Hello, not that required. So all others also counted now. Possibly I don't need both the pieces and talk over here. Now next thing I'll change the place, I'll keep you with the front page. The Rahi I'm taking that. Okay. So you have to counting and all now do it. So this any other additional one you have to find out preparation only there, no? Yes. Okay. Now listen. So this one tabulation we have done. Next is we have graphical representation. We have a graphical representation. Basically, 3 things are there. One is called bar graph. Second one is called the histogram. Third one is called the frequency polygon. Bar graph, histogram, frequency polygon. Those who know all these bar graph, I think in fact we have done started from 6th standard. Simple graph, multiple graph, bar graph, all these things. Those histogram may not be done. Okay. All of you close the volume. All of you close the volume. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now listen. Yes, one of you explain how to draw the bar graph. No, just to tell me what first and foremost thing is, what is the difference between, all of you know what is bar graph? You said everything you studied now. Bar graph also studied, histogram also studied now. Okay, how to identify, is it a bar graph or it is a histogram? Yes.
The bar graph
Standard.
bar graph had distances between bars and histogram 7.
That's not, it is adjacent rectangle, continuous rectangle. Yes, what is your case?
The bar equal is
And histogram? Histogram is continuous. There is no base, there it is all joined. One or both of them are the vertical rectangles you are telling now. Okay, so both said the same thing only now. Histogram, bar graph is not for the class interval. Puts it down. Bar graph is for certain values. Suppose if it is given us Like, like just now we have done now, number of heads. Just now we have done now, point, person is point, and its frequency, what is 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's say 7, okay, 6, 5, 7. It's adding over to 13 plus 25. Okay. Now, this is the data. Graphically, we need to represent this one. This one graphically, how will you represent? Is it bar graph or histogram or both the ways? Bar graph we can make, histogram make, or only bar graph can make. Only, sir, we can take bar graph also, we can make histogram also, or this one. You can both bar. You can make only bar graph. Understood or not? You can make only bar graph. Look here, how to make the bar graph means we have, look here, you have drawn the graph paper you have done in chapter called coordinate geometry, linear equations. First and foremost thing, do you know what is the difference between graph in statistics and graph in coordinate geometry?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, who knows? Yes. Huh? Who can? Hello. Those who not raise their hand and speak. Yes. Priyanshi. Yes. Hello. She will tell them. In coordinate geometry, when very good. In a coordinate geometry, when you draw the graph, we have to make into 4 different quadrants. Means you make it to the cross. And listen to us. If you have problem, we will talk to you. Okay, then let her complete. In statistics. Okay, in statistics, we need only 1 quadrant. Sit down. Yes, what is your problem? Tell me. With what? Which chapter? Hello, if you are talking to me, both of you want to talk, go outside. You tell. Stand up. Stand up. Tell. It is if your ma'am said in the 4th quadrant, listen. Okay. Not that divide into statistics graph, you will not see this way. Understood or not? Okay. Because this is for done is for which one? For the coordinate geometry, linear equation, etc. Okay, linear equation, etc. That is one of the things. Yes. You can make, but there is nothing over here. Yours will be always statistics graph will be always this y value, it is always frequency. You know what do you mean by frequency? The number of times a value occurs. Number of frequency will be always positive value. There will not be anything more. Understood now? Okay. And this also is a positive value. Both x and y are positive values. That is a statistical. Okay. Now, there, if you are doing this one, this means okay, 4 quadrant. There are certain cases are there, little more of the left side that I will explain to you. Okay. Now, something else, one more, that is one part, most important, one more thing is there. There are points, both the places will mark. In the frequency polygon, you have to make the points. Anyone else? Listen, when you do this graph is for what? Coordinate geometry, linear equation, etc. When you do, this is which axis? X axis. This is y axis. Here also, this is x axis, y axis, and this is the origin. Okay. In coordinate geometry, have you heard about? And this is the origin. Have you heard about the scale?
Yes.
What is the meaning of scale? Not the scale. Okay. What is the distance? The scale on x-axis and y-axis will be always same. If I take this as 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, here also is 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. It may be 2 centimeter means everywhere 2 centimeter. Whereas in statistics is not required that way. Scale on x-axis and scale on y-axis differs. It may be same, sometimes it can be same, it may be different. Have you followed? Have you seen king? Have you seen this word king?
Yes.
Where king is used? No. It is in statistic graph, not in coordinate geometry. Okay, there is no king over there. Do you know what is the meaning of king? Have you heard about yes, who knows the king?
Not starting from 0.
The values G, for example, I'll show you. Suppose it is given. The height of the students are given. Height of the students of the class is given as, let's say it may be starting at 120 to 140. Hello, listen. Like, height and number of students. Okay, height and number, say 120. Let's say 125, 130, 135. These are okay, 7, 10, 4, 3. If we start from 0, till where it has to reach 120, 0, 123, 120, where your graph will not be enough. No, understood or not? For that, what we do is over here. This is called what? King. And we can start from the 1, 2, 3. What is the meaning of king? Means there are some values from 0, it is missing. Its graph is not started from 0. Understood or not? Okay, that's it. Now, here, so first we said, now over here, this will be, it is for which one? Histogram. Simple values are given means, sorry, this is for bar graph. 1 bars are there, there will be distance. So this is number of heads. So here on this one, y axis will be always frequency. What is the frequency over here? Different frequencies. What is the maximum frequency? 7. Means the height, maximum height will be where? 7. I can start this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, 8 is enough. Okay. Now, suppose instead of this one, it is about the coin is tossed, let's say a many number of times. Number of heads appeared. Okay. Then it may be, let's say 70. Okay, 60, 50, and 70. Then can you do 1, 2, 3 up to? No. In that way, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. Then according to the question, you have to think and do it. Okay. So in this one, now how do you make it? You will leave, let's say 1 centimeter, half centimeter. Make the bar. First one is which one? 7. With the help of the scale, and you make it as 7. Okay, this is for which one? 0. Next one is what? 1. 1 is where for the 6 correspondingly over here. Third, this is for 1. Next is for 2. 2 is how much is given? 5. And 3 is how much? 7. Now, here if you want shade, you can just put. Now look here. In this one, 2 things you have to keep in mind. Do you know what are the 2 things keep in mind? You write the scale. Scale you have to write, yes. Space between the bars should be equal. If this is 1 centimeter, means here also should be 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. Everywhere same. Second one, width of each bar should be same. Means if it is this width is equal to, let's say 2 centimeter, this should be how much? 2 centimeter. Everything should be 2 centimeter. Not that one is smaller, one is bigger. Are you followed? Okay. Histogram is for, always remember, histogram is for class interval. Is it class interval? No. Class interval look like what? 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Anyway, 0 to 2, etc. Okay, just now, why I'm telling means in this exercise itself, we have done 2 types now. One is 0, 1, 2, 3, we are done. Another one is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, etc. Understood the difference? So remember, histogram is for which one? Class interval. Okay, bar graph is not for class interval. Bar graph is individual values are given. Okay, understood. For example, I like my last area, what is a mark you obtained in all the subjects? 5 subjects. How many subjects are there? 6 subjects are there. What is the 6th subject? Huh? Data science. All the 6 subjects I have, and I will write over here. Then represent means what did you do? Is it bar graph or histogram? Bar graph. There is no class interval. No. She will tell my mark of English is this much. My mark of Hindi. What is the next language? Hindi is this much. Then maths, science, social science, and data science. You will tell all these things. Is it class interval? She will tell this mark. Then you will make it as. This can be represented different ways also. Now, pie chart also you must have studied in geography and all. No, there are different ways. We are studying only one of them. Understood? So remember, individual values are given. These values are given. Why I am telling this one means you should not confuse which chart to be made. Maybe in the exam they may not give also this one to me. So you will do. Most of the cases they will do. Whenever class interval is given, always you have to make which one? Histogram. Then frequency polygon also that one. Now, next is in this one class interval. There are 2 types of class interval now. Yes. Which are the 2 types of class interval? Continuous and discrete. Discrete or discontinuous. Now, this is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, etc. This is continuous or this is continuous. 0 to 5. There is no way. Suppose it is given as this way 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. This is which type? Yes. Discrete or discontinuous. Most important, when you draw the histogram, this has to be made continuous. You cannot start a gap over here. That I will come. Okay, do you know how to make it continuous? One knows, second one knows. Okay, Rahit. How did you get from where you got 0.5? Huh? How did you get? What is this 0.5? It is always like that. Sure. What is your case?
I don't know why 0.5, but I know we add 0.5 once to 10 and subtract 0.5 the next.
Lower limit. It is not necessarily always 0.5. Okay. How to get? That is called adjustment factor. What is called? Adjustment factor. Adjustment factor means to make the class interval continuous or make it to true class interval. Okay. Here, look here. What is the lower limit and upper limit over here? Lower limit is 1. Upper limit 10. What is the lower limit? 11. Upper limit 20. Okay, so it is not. Previous one when I have taken this one 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Here what is the lower limit? 0. Upper limit? 5. Over here 5. Same thing it is coming. This is continuous. This is not continuous. So making it is called, first is called adjustment factor. What you do mean difference between upper and lower limit change. What is it? 11 minus 10. How much? 1. Or 21 minus 20. 1. 31 minus 30. 1. Half of it. Difference divided by 2. That is 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. Most of the cases you will see this way. It's not necessary. Somewhere you will see as 1 to 1.9, 2 to 2.9, 3 to 3.9. Is it continuous or discrete? Discrete. So here can you take 0.5? No. What is the difference between these two? 0.1 divided by 2. 0.05. Are you so followed? So it's not that always 0.5. 99% of the cases 0.5 because most of the time you will see this. Now how will you make it into continuous class interval? 0.5 will be subtracted from the lower limit. 0.5 to be added to the Upper limit. So 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. 10 plus 0.5 is 10.5. Then 10.5, 11 to 20.5. Then 20.5 to 30.5. 30.5 to 40.5. Then how will you get this one? Same thing as only here only subtract everywhere. All the lower limit has to be subtracted 0.5. Then only it becomes same now. This is 10.5. Can you write this? Leave this 11. There's a gap will be there now. Understood? Okay, this is made continuously. Same thing. Yes, Sanika. Yes, okay, happy. Okay, so how to that make it clear? Okay. So while making the which one bar graph, sorry, for the histogram, class interval should be made it as continuous. Okay, now is it clear? Okay, you need a find it. Yes. If people are how long you need to go now? You are going home? What time? Sarthar. Mr. Sarthar. 5 minutes break. Priyanshi. By after the break, you know, all should have the graph paper. And this one for
Sir, please unmute.
Sarthar Guru. Yes, yes, what happened? Sit down. Okay, graph appreciation. Lot of times I said, please don't throw these on my head to be because then put on my hand. Like, if it don't the same, we will make it I know. Hello, what happened? One person and one will set down. No, one person and one will set down. There are a lot of things up there. Idea, what idea? Now exchanging graph, okay? Not there. Yeah. Okay. This all what we do complete and there inside. Today only I am making. Now, this all for the fixed standard, company standard, private standard. Without next class, without volume, I will not allow in the next class. Before time, these comes. Without grants, no. State pattern, these all. If you can't identify functions. Should I write? I think this is called all forgetting. That's why what I am doing, don't forget. If you want to answer, you don't mind that. That is it. Huh? I'll tell mommy to remind you. I think it's a fault of mommy now. Give your mommy comment number. I'll write the answer. You know the offer number? Okay, end of the lecture, you can get back. Okay, come to know. Mommy has to find the ball. Okay, yeah. What happened? Next one, no scale. Now what is your scale is there? Okay, so we are going to represent the following data first. Okay, taken the exercise. Okay. Read the question, one of you. Hello? Relax now. Arya, read the question. No, you are Arya, no, two Aryas are there.
A survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percentage.
Okay, causes are given. Okay. First of all, this is to be causes are given means this is which type of graph to be done? Bar graph. Is it given graphic? They are just only given represent the following information about graphically. So it is, can you make it histogram? No. How many values are there? 6 values are there. So it is in percentage. So you have, there are 6 conditions are given. So first it is bar graph, all of you have to do it. So on the x-axis, what did you do? All of you start. X-axis, you have the causes will be there. No need to make the causes. Y-axis, what is the highest one? 31.8. 31.8 means what you are taking on the y-axis? What graph, what group you are taking? 0. How much? For 10, 15, 20, 5, 10. 2, 4 equal to 8. 2, 4 till you have the graph, the full graph paper use it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Who is that talking there? I made everyone separate people. All of you know how to do it? Okay, do it. No, not the half page. It will not fit in one page. Why half pages? This is, you are going to dance over here. Now, then make the big paper, use it properly. Otherwise, you will not. First, you make all the part, then you make all the things. Okay. Scale and all later you can do. Hello, what is this graph? Already done. If when? So I don't need to see the immediate graph, okay? You need to come. See, I think this is UT book paper, graph paper. The user gravity will be the book paper. They also. That means you now think graph. Yeah. I said, this is MEP, same thing you are doing. You are supposed to do it again. You are for the past. This was MEPS only, na? Yes. I said make you. Why 5 only? When if I tell to do, if I tell 5 to do, means why you making 5? Make it 2 to 2. Make it 2 to 2. All are doing 2 to, all are doing 2 each, na? How many you have? By 4. It will be, there will be 2 weeks, no problem. Don't, no problem, no. What happened? Why are you making bigger forward? Why are you changing it? 31.8. Look, this is, that is why I said, you know, do it as this is 30 now. This is 32. How many centimeters are there? 1 centimeter. This is how many divisions are there? 10 divisions are 2 each. This is 30.2, 30.4. Okay. Understood or not? The middle will come 31. 2, 4, 6, 1 millimeter below. It's 31.8. One small division below. This is called 31.8. This is 32 now. This is 30. So this is 10 divisions now. So it is 2, 30.2, 30.4. The middle one is 31. Then the next one is 31.2, 4, 6, 8. Are you followed? Okay. That is why Python, if you are taking that, you will not be able to do this way. 1 millimeter below 32. Fast. That is 30 now. This can you see this is 30. So above. Not there. What is the value? 31.8 here. It is 1 millimeter below 32. Don't put this line. This is wrong. So this is below 30. Where is 31? Can you show me? Wait. So 31.8 is below 30. I think this, when I was explaining you before, that is the thing, 1 by 1 it's wrong. So I put cross. What are everyone which is look here, stop writing, stop drawing. All of you stop drawing. All of you stop drawing. I have to tell 1 by 1. All of you put the pen pencil down. Everyone put the pen pencil down. And listen here. You all of you are taken 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Now, if it is coming here, listen. This is 2. This is 4. One sharing now. Listen now. 2, 4. Between. How many divisions are there? This is 1 centimeter. How many divisions are there? 10 divisions. So 10 divisions means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 divisions are there. Okay. Okay. Rahi, tell me what is this one? What is this point? 2.3. It is wrong. 2.6. 2.6. Can you see what is this number? 2. What is this number? Hello, you listen here. So I am going to the next question is for you. Okay. Between 2 and 4, there are this 1 centimeter. There are how many divisions are there? 10 divisions. Each will be 2 each. Then not it will reach. So it is 2 point. How much? 6. Hello. I did not ask you. When I ask you, people start. No, don't worry. You. What is this point? Sarthak. You are going to tell today? Huh? You. 3. 2.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. This is 3. Are you followed? Now, how will you find out 2.5? Also, not tell me. In this one, I need to find out 2.5. This is 2.2. This is 2.4. This is 2.6. Between. Just draw in between. It's a very between. You just make it automatically. It makes. Okay. What is your problem now? See, that is it is too small. If you want to make means the graph paper will not be enough to make it. Understood? You make between that and what? Understood? But between which one and which one? That is. Okay, all of you continue. That is why I said take the divisions 2 each, so that at least you can do this much. 5 1 was Who is that 5 was? So tell me, show me your 31.2 in your 5. So show me 31.8. Just you just take 30 and 35. So how to mark 31.4? 4. Then you show me one is 31.4 and 31.8. 2 points show me. One is 31.4. Then where is the 32? Where is the 32? Below. When it is compressed, you cannot find out. Understood? All will be 31.2, 31.8, all are 2.2. Done. One will be equal to 2 centimeter on 5 minutes. Well done. Okay. Fast, do it the graph. Then all details you have written.
Yes.
You have to write in that one. Along with this one. Okay. Hello, what you are writing on? Not there. For example, you do it faster. This thing you can put inside that rectangle. It's the big things you can put it inside. Otherwise, you make it as A, B, C, D. What C will be given some other, both are same class only. Not same teacher. In same teacher, she is for her, she said both 4 quadrants. Your class said 4 quadrants. Right? Hello. Scale
will only be for y-axis or?
Yes, scale only for y-axis. See, your graph should have made bigger now. Then why you graph? Who's this paper? Oh, Dia. Mr. Sarvesh. Next, Achavni. Completed. Sarthak, you also did not bring the graph. Graph is over, I'll buy one for you. 20 rupees only now, one graph. Then 100.
45.
Okay, 45. No. Even if next year also you can use the same graph. Next year also same graph book you can use. Or graph sheets you get.
15 papers.
And graph sheets you will get. What is those things? That you can see. How should completed the graph?
Yes.
You have this, okay. It's permitted to write in this one. Okay, then what are the values? First question's answer, you got it? Yeah. Represent graphically, all of you are done. How many have you done graphically? 1, 2, 3, 4. Your graph is completed. Your note is completed it now. So it's completed. People raise a hand. Okay. Survey is done. Okay. Now, okay, majority are done. Okay. Which condition is major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? Reproductive health conditions. Okay. Second one, did you write? Okay. What is second part?
Try to find out with the help of teacher any two factors which play a major role in the cause of above. So you have to write two cases. You wrote anything? Nothing. Second part nobody has given. You wrote. Right. Read now. What did you write?
I didn't.
No. Anyone? So you have to give the answer. Something answer enough. What is the one of the case?
Sanitation.
Lack of medical facility, lack of knowledge, lack illiteracy, education not there. Okay, proper knowledge is not there. Lack of knowledge, lack of medical facility, lack of sanitation. Okay, these are 2-3 things you can make it. Okay, Arya, painting is not required. Understood or not? You can write lack of which one? Sanitation or lack illiteracy, meaning lack of knowledge. That all conditions you can write. Understood now? Second question. What will you do? Great turn. This is why both is it full time talking only? Huh? Book. What do you want? So take it now. She's not giving. Shh. Next, second question. Okay, read the question. Yes, Sanika, read.
The following data on
So this is number of girls per 1,000. And by the way, in this one, what here in this graph, did you mark anything over here?
Yes.
What did you write? Only two more.
Female fertility rate.
Huh? You have to write female fertility rate in bracket percentage. Okay. Huh? Don't causes you have to write one by one. Causes, okay. Why causes you wrote, okay, in the back. What is RH? Oh, not special in graph. Okay, second one. Okay, start doing this one. This one. Okay, the values are given in which one? Have you seen the values? 940, 970. What happened? Huh? Why sit over there? You can see the books only. Huh? Because both of you will sit and talk only. That is the problem. Now itself is talking. Huh? So which value? What is the y value at the day? This is
Is the right number of
what's it? What did you tell? That only there is only one value. How will you take the scale? You cannot put king on y-axis. Hey, madams, all of you listen. King cannot be made on y-axis. Understood or not? King cannot be made on y-axis. You can take 100, 200, 300, etc.
Again, that I will take 900.
You can. I think you cannot take 900. So look here, this one. 0. Then can you take 900? If you take 900, next one will be 1,800. That is a property, no? Oh, understood. So you cannot take. What you can take? You can take hundreds. Again, another one is telling. Okay, wanted to tell. So from here, what? Okay, what is the first value? No, let them 910. Yes, that's 910. Then what will be this point? Very good. So this is 0 to 910. Then it's double. 1820 will come. You cannot take it as directly. So then I take this as 20. Then it was easy now. Why did you do these all things? Scale means what? Equally at the space. And then what is this much? It is 10 now. This is 10. So this also is 10. So 910 minus 0 is 10. What is the meaning of king? What is this point? What is this point? 0. Origin. So this will be 910. Then what will be this point? 920. This is smart people. I think my dear, it is if you are taking, look here. If you are taking 0, let's say this is 10. Can I take this as 12? Why not? 14, 16, why not? No, this is not. So then if you are taking, okay, then if I take 900, what will be this? Why 920? You cannot take that way. If you are taking 900, then this length is called 900 units. This will be another 900 units. Is another 900 units. Is another 900 units. Thank you. Thank you. One followed. If you are taking this, it is 1000 feet. So this is 2700. Understood or not? So you can take what? 100, 200, 300, 400. Otherwise, you take 50, 100. Yes, what you have done in your school?
So I was not there.
Okay. So don't listen to them. You have done anything in the school? Now, look here. If it is specified, there are some questions they will specify. Start from 900 as this one. Then you take. Otherwise, you are not supposed to take.
So meaning 900 in 1800.
Huh? Sometimes they will see start origin as 900. So then 900, 910, 920 you can take. It's according to this question that is 0 mark. What happened, Avni? You can start with 50 also. 50, 100, 150 also you can do it, no problem. But see that there are the spaces there. 50 means 20 can, 50 also you can do it. But 100 will be better for marking the points. Now what happened? Here you are drawing the graph. Tally marks, nothing is made. When you have the book, that you did not do anything. I think looking behind the answers and sitting. This all once, statistics also once it was explained in the and then why didn't you do the graph tally marks questions? That you don't know. Graph now here. Did I tell the graph to bring? Oh, that is not 50. If you want 50 each also you can take, there is no problem. What are you doing? 2000. School also you have seen Ramesh. Be regular now, okay? You will see this all. No. This is 10 each. 0 to 100 now. 10, 9, 10, 20, 30 till 100. This is how much? 900. 910, 20, 30, 40. This line is 950. Y-axis king is not permitted. Otherwise, they will specify. Start from this as 900. If they tell, start only as 900. If they give the question is written, then it is start. Okay. 1, 3 values you need. You write 4 values. What do you see? Done. Who has done this one? Two people. You shouted you. Yeah. You shouted it. No, Peter. Eyes are almost same in this case. No, on the top also you have to join with the scale only, not with scale. And sharpen the pencils. Last year sharpen. This is sharpened 3 months before. That also do fast. Right. On the top of the join with the scale. That is not that. What is Sarthak, next class you will be all the day and you have to, I need the tally mark, I'll make you to sit over here, I'm going to give the questions. You're not studying anything seriously. Forgot to do the graph, the tally mark. And how about the class interval and not making that time what happens, tally mark? I've not even a single question here done. Completed 2, 3, 4. 5. Are you not completed? Hmm. Avni talking. Scale written. X-axis value rod. What is written? X-axis. Section. Y-axis. Number of girls per 1,000 boys. Did you write y-axis? What is written y-axis?
Number of girls per person.
And the y-axis? Section. Scale.
Yeah.
What did you write the scale?
180.
Where? X-axis.
No,
On y-axis, not on x-axis. Exactly. He to her, she will do it. You look in the book and then next. After now she came out. Okay. With that. Sarthak, you are somebody has to tell to Sarthak. Okay. Next class onwards, we will review all the benches and decide. Done. Arya. Priyanshi done. Sarvesh done. Oh. I'll come and see the graph once again. This is done. All of you follow now bar graphs. So we have to do see frequency, polygon, and histogram. If vacancy polling, I did not tell, no?
There's kind of
Huh?
kind of.
Polling. Okay. Avni is done. Okay. Who is left out now? Arya. No, there's a remaining writing and all you know how to write. Section and all. Okay. Question number 3. Sanika, read the question 3. Shh, let him do his work now. No help. You Sarvesh needed a help. Oh. Support, what is support? Read. Read.
In the classroom, discuss what conclusions can be.
Okay, discuss one of you. Look here. It is not that one. Yes, this Rahi tell.
Schedule time has been maximum and the least urban.
It is not, did you see, it is not the main discussion, it is not that one. What is this the data about? Means, what does it mean? It is out of 1,000 boys.
4,000.
Means, one of you tell what is the meaning, nobody followed, nobody gave a correct answer. What does it mean per 1,000 per 1,000? Matlab tell. Nobody. Look here, yes. Huh? Listen, you take the first category. What is the first category? Scheduled castes. If in this locality there are 1,000 boys are there are how many girls are there? 940, not out of 1,000, 940.
The proportion.
Yeah, if for every boys is fixed. How many are there? 1,000. Whereas girls is coming 940. In scheduled tribe,
97.
now boys are how many? 1,000. Girls are how many? 970. Non-SC/ST, girls are how many? 920. Boys are how many? 1,000. Understood or not? Boys. So what is your main conclusion?
The quantity of girls.
You know, now quantity means number of girls are less than the number of boys in every category. Are you followed or not? Now this classroom different. Whereas in every, according to this data, every category number of boys is more, number of girls is less. Okay, that is, you can see everywhere. Have you heard this at any time? Female population is less. Understood or not? Hello, guys, you want Avni tell? Avni tell na? What you let us survey that you want to tell something? Then what? Why you people are 1% and immediately pouncing on them? You people Sarvesh, what you said?
So it is 49 point.
Yes, it is something around 49 point. What? So what you should not know? After that decide. Okay, so 49 point something means it is boys are coming up, male population is more than 50, more than 50 it is coming. Okay, huh? 1 point it is not there. So 1 point means there are a lot of problems are there. It is not 1 point, 1 point. 1% difference is not a difference. Be powerful. This is where is it written anywhere UP? So that is why you should know these all things. Okay, sometimes you should know these all things. Why tell me, look, some of the areas mentality is there. Boys neither you have you read the newspaper? Have you read the newspapers and all? Okay, this one previously, sir. Have you heard about the word abortion?
Yeah.
Abortion is banned in this country. You know why? Huh? It is not in India. Abortion is banned. We are in USA. We are talking about USA. We are talking about this country. Okay. Why it is being banned, you know? Because but before that itself, listen. Previously it was called sex determination. You know what I mean by sex determination?
Yeah.
When the child is conceived, the doctors can, they scanning and all, they can identify the child, boy or girl. Previously, because that time, because of the illiteracy, okay, because they find out, okay, girl child, they used to abort. Still in lot of villages happens. Okay, your village, okay. Let me finish, after that I will tell you. Okay, listen, my dear, listen now. Okay, she knows. Okay, we will ask her everything, okay. Yeah, so she knows about USA also. So, this one certain part, that is why sex determination is being banned. Why means it is for the female child used to be this one. There are previously they used to. Nowadays it's reduced a lot. That is why the girl population is almost less than the boys population. Because previously the girls population, you see, no, there is a lot of cases. Okay, so that is good. Anyway, so here if it is the conclusion is where according to this data, in all the categories, all the section, number of girls is less than the number of boys. Okay, okay, they asked you. Okay, third one who was reading. Yes.
Even below are the seats won by different political parties in the polling outcome of a state assembly election. Draw a bar graph to represent.
You know how to make it?
Yeah.
Okay, this one, how you, okay, one main problem I have seen is what you are finding y-axis what to make. Okay, y-axis what to do.
Seats more,
Huh?
seats more.
This scale I asked.
5 out.
5, 10 till where you need, you know, maximum 75. But when listen, 5, 10 when making, you have to be little careful while taking this on this 30, 37 where to make and all, you have to be very careful. Okay. Now you can take 10, 20 also, but now look here. This is 5. This is 10. This is 1 centimeter. How many divisions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one you're done? All of you listen. Sanika, where is 7 in this one?
7.
Sanika is 7. Where is 7? Hello, you're Sanika. She will. There. You have to find out which division. Those who know, raise their, nobody will shout. Those who nobody will shout. No, I said nobody will shout. Just close your mouth. You know meaning English, you know, no? That is very literacy. Ankit,
So like for every 2 lines there is 1.
where is 7?
So like,
This is
so after
7.
4 lines.
This is the 7. This is 7. This is 7. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This point is called 6.5. You have to, why I'm telling this one, you have to be careful. Teachers only see that all things. When it was 1, let's say if it is 10 to 20, always you know 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So be careful. Okay, 5, 10 when you're taking that division, all of you have to be careful while doing. You can take according to you, sometimes they will mention the scale also. But here, Sanika, you are trying to understand. So it is why you're learning this way, different ways to learn. Okay, it is not mentioning in the question examination, it's not mentioned. Okay. So do it with a Python you are doing. So then this you can do yourself now. No need to draw it now. No need to do this one. Okay. Shh, this one. Dia, read the next question.
The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correctly to 1 millimeter and the obtained data is represented by the plot.
And you have to draw
Draw histogram.
What is this means you have to see? Look here, all of you, have you noticed something over there? It is discontinuous. So you have to make in continuous. That is the first thing. So this table has to be made in your notebook. Understood or not? All of you know how to make the continuous one? How to continuous? 0.5 to be subtracted from every lower limit and 0.5 to be added with the upper limit. On the x-axis, you can make king. You know what is the meaning of king? Okay, the value which is, there are values missing. So first is it is coming as 117.5 till 126.5. Next is 126.5 till 135.5. This way it will make. First you make heading right. Continuous class interval. Continuous class interval. These type of questions are important. Or you will tell true class limits. True class limit. Made it. What? Make it in the notebook now. Fast. Let's finish this one. What are you? Right. Do it now from the book and should I do? I say you're waiting me to write. Done all. Fast, do it. We have to graph, we have to complete and we have to do mean median mode. Now we have time. Next class without graph, without volume, without at home. Near the interval. The last one is it 171 or 182? Then its frequency values you write number of leaves. You write what 3, 5, 9, 12. Please. Avni, next class if you sleep means then I can't tell secret and don't like to make it secret. Okay. Look here. Two things you have to remember, 2, 3 things. First is graph required thing, pen, scale, pencil. Most important, the people from volume. Okay, like homework. Start seriously practicing. You know what is now time? Date is what? 20th. Now 20. This is December. Now some of your schools will be having your final exams in
End of February.
and we some of the schools even beginning February also. And syllabus, some of the school put full syllabus also. So please don't believe yourself. Chalo, bye.